Alright, I'll try to make this video as short as I can with as much information as possible. 2013 Ram 2500, 68 RFE, full drive. Truck has 73,600 miles. A couple months ago, started hearing a knocking noise when I would accelerate, but it was only at a lower RPM under a load. I could sit there and put it in drive. Wouldn't make the noise. I could rev it up all I wanted and wouldn't make the noise in park or neutral. I put it in drive, take off, just kind of normal. It would make the noise. It's a knocking noise. It would do it in reverse as well. Did a bunch of research. I tried to pinpoint where the noise was coming from. Sounded like it was right in the bell housing. So automatically flex plate bolts, checked all that, everything was good. Didn't have a real way to inspect the flex plate, so I just commenced to tearing the whole damn thing apart. And I don't know if y'all have ever done this 6-inch pure performance lift. It is a son of a bitch to get off and back on a slab under a carport. I mean, at least I had some shelter, but anyway, got all that put back together. Everything is torqued to spec. Started it up, filled the transmission back up. I did change the filters. They are Mopar filters. Started filling it back up and still have the noise. So it's wonderful. Spent like $1,500 on parts I didn't need. Yes, I jumped the gun. Anyway, right now the truck's at about 140 degrees. And if I get it up to about 180, the noise kind of dissipates. You can barely hear it at idle. When I turn the compressor on, the AC compressor on, the noise is very apparent. When it kicks off, it goes away. It's nothing to do with the AC though. I can leave it off and try to power brake a little bit, and the noise, I mean, it's obnoxious now. Still, the sound, the knocking noise it sounds like it's right in the bell housing. So I'm gonna start it. You can see for yourself what it's doing, and hopefully somebody has got an idea what is wrong with this thing, because I'm about ready to burn it to the ground. I'm gonna go take it all the way back there and I'm gonna burn it down. Probably not, but I just need some answers. All right. Let's see. And there's the noise. The compressor's not even on. That's great. Okay. No noise. I don't hear anything. I'm gonna turn the compressor on. And there it is. will say, I talked to a tech at the local Dodge place and explained to him what I did and what kind of noise I'm making. Sent him a little video of the noise. He mentioned something about fuel. Maybe a fuel knock, injector hung up, something. So let me kill this damn thing. Alright, let's see. Before I do that, coolant temp is at 154, trans temp is at 122. Alright, I'm gonna put this thing in drive. Well, let's turn the AC off. Noise goes away. You can hear it every once in a while. Okay, okay. Put it in drive. So any kind of load you put it on now, or put on it, it starts making this noise. That's neutral. Reverse. Park. Rev it up. No knocking noise at all. Nothing. Turn the AC back on. There's your noise again. I'm gonna rev it up. And it goes away. So you can barely hear it. Anyway, we'll turn the AC off. Whew. Now, I did change the fuel filters today and added this additive. I know it's kind of dark outside, sorry. Put it in the filter housing, changed both of the fuel filters, and it's still doing the same thing. That stuff stinks really bad when it's burning off. So I don't know what it is. My next move is sometime this weekend. I'm gonna disconnect each injector individually, see if it, gets rid of the noise. If it does, then I mean, great. At least I know what the damn problem is. What I'm worried about is something internal, engine-wise. So, if you can leave a comment, and somebody please tell me what the hell's wrong with this thing. If you've ever come across this before, this is, I've searched everywhere, and this is not a common issue. I've seen one video where a guy had the same problem. But his truck's in the shop and they haven't gotten to it yet, so I don't know what it is. Just looking for some advice. If you can give me something, let me know in the comment section. Much appreciated. Thank you.